Hello, Kyra.
Hey, Sophia. What's going on?
Everything is set. She's inside, cleaning my room.
So it's finally happening.
Yeah, just like we planned. Listen, you should come here.
Right now?
Yes. If I need you, you'll already be here. I do not want anything to go wrong.
Relax. I'm coming.
Good. Everything is right on track.
So, you finally decided to come home. Where were you all this time?
What is it now? Why do you always have to start something?
I gave you the money yesterday. Did you give it to the landlord?
I told you I will handle it.
He came again yesterday. He was asking for the rent again. He said if we don't pay soon, we will have to leave the house, or he will call the police.
Just stop talking and keep your mouth shut.
This is not right. You cannot keep doing this.
Who do you think you are to tell me what I can or cannot do? I do whatever I want. You don't get to control me.
Why are you doing this to us? We're already struggling, and you're making it worse.
Stay out of my way. Maybe now you will finally learn to stay quiet and stop arguing with me all the time.
Finally, everything is done. Hope Ma'am likes it. Ma'am, your room is cleaned.
Good. Jenny, can you make something for us to eat?
Yes, ma'am. What would you like?
Kyra, so what do you feel like having?
I don't know. Maybe something light?
You're always like this. Can't even decide food.
Okay, fine. You choose.
All right. Let's see what she makes. Just make something nice. Surprise us.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just go and bring something nice for you right away.
So it's finally happening?
Yeah, I've been waiting for this. She will not even understand what hit her.
She's walking straight into a trap.
Exactly. And today we finish this. Time to get her out of the picture.
Let's go!
Yeah, let the show begin. Mom! Mom, come here quickly! Mom, come here quickly!
What happened? Why are you shouting?
My ring? I can't find my ring. I kept it in the table drawer. I clearly remember. Where did it go?
Relax. Check properly first.
I've already checked everywhere. It's not here.
Maybe you misplaced it somewhere else?
Wait. Jenny was here?
I don't think so. She wouldn't do something like that.
Yeah, but Jenny was here.
What do you mean, Jenny was here?
Aunt, it's possible she might have taken it.
No, she wouldn't do something like that.
But if she did take it, then what's the harm in asking?
Okay, I'll call her.
Jenny, come here for a moment.
Yes, ma'am. You called me?
Jenny, Sophia's ring is missing.
Missing? But I didn't see anything. You were in my room, Jenny.
Yes, ma'am, but I was just cleaning.
Did you take it?
No, ma'am. I didn't take anything. Think carefully before you answer. I'm telling the truth. I didn't take it.
Why don't we just check her? If she's innocent, there's nothing to worry about. Let's clear this once and for all.
Okay, check her.
I will do it. Wait, what is this?
No, ma'am. This is not mine. I didn't take it. I don't even know how it got there.
The proof is right here. You can't deny what's in front of everyone.
I trusted you, Jenny, and you broke that trust.
Ma'am, please, I didn't take it. I swear.
That's enough, Jenny. You are fired.
Ma'am, please. I need this job. I did not do anything.
I don't want to hear anything. This is the result of your actions.
Sometimes the truth doesn't need to be hidden. It just needs the right people to be ignored. Today, Jenny lost her job, but this is not the end of her story.
Learn English with Kylie.